Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Mezo token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Mezo is a decentralized lending protocol built natively for Bitcoin, enabling holders to borrow against their BTC or earn yield without moving it from custody. Core lending product. Users deposit Bitcoin to open a credit line at a fixed 1% APR, borrowing the protocol's Bitcoin-backed stablecoin MUSD. Bitcoin native architecture. It operates on Bitcoin native rails, allowing BTC to remain in qualified custody while being used as collateral. Governance and flywheel. The protocol uses a vote escrow model, channeling loan interests and fees to BTC lockers, creating a sustainable yield flywheel. Mezo token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 500 million MEZO token. MEZO token is listed on Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.